Question 2 says P varies directly as Q. P is equal to 28 when Q is equal to 4. Find the equation that relates P and Q. So if I make a chart of P and Q, I have 28 and 4. So I don't have as many points as I did in number 1, but I am going to use this to find K. So my general equation is P is equal to K times Q. And we're going to plug in these values for P and Q, and I can find that K is equal to 7. So my equation that relates P and Q, I'm just going to take my general equation and now use 7 instead of K. So this equation is my final answer. This relates P and Q, meaning you can plug in any Q and find the corresponding P. You can plug in any P and find the corresponding Q.